Most people don't lose money because they're stupid. They lose money because their week has no structure. You can have a decent income, work hard, avoid luxury cars, and still end every month asking, where did it all go? Today, I'll show you a weekly system that protects your money before life attacks it. This is not a budget lecture. This is a money defense routine, a simple weekly structure for maximum wealth retention and zero waste. Because the rich don't just make money, they trap it, protect it, and send it to work. And by the end, I'll give you the 15-minute Sunday move that quietly changes your entire financial life. First, understand this. Money waste is rarely dramatic. It's usually boring, tiny, invisible, repeated. A delivery fee here, a forgotten subscription there, a bad grocery trip, a rushed purchase, a weekend you didn't plan. None of these feel dangerous alone, but repeated every week, they become a second rent payment. So the goal is not to become cheap. The goal is to become difficult to drain. Here is the weekly structure. Capture money, protect money, deploy money. That's the whole game. Capture means you know what came in. Protect means you stop leaks. Deploy means you put money toward future you. Monday is Money Map Day. This is where most people already lose, not because they spent badly, but because they started blind. On Monday, look at your accounts for 5 minutes, not to feel guilty, just to know the battlefield. Ask 3 questions. What money is coming in? What money must leave? And what money is free to choose? That third category is where wealth retention is won or lost. Flexible money is dangerous when it has no job. Give every free dollar a temporary assignment: food, fuel, debt, savings, investing, or guilt-free fun. Money without a label becomes entertainment for your impulses. Tuesday is Leak Hunt Day. This is not about cutting joy. It's about finding money you forgot you were bleeding. Open your last 7 days of transactions and look for 3 things: repeats, regrets, and randomness. Repeats are subscriptions, snacks, delivery, coffees, apps, and fees. Not evil, just expensive when unconscious. Regrets are purchases that felt good for 10 minutes and annoying for 10 days. Randomness is the silent killer. Unplanned errands, emergency snacks, last-minute rides, panic purchases. Circle only 1 leak each Tuesday. Fixing 1 leak weekly is 52 fixes a year. That's serious money. Wednesday is Income and Skill Day. Wealth retention is not only about spending less, it's also about making your future income harder to ignore. Use Wednesday for 1 wealth-building block: learning, applying, selling, negotiating, building, or improving. This could be updating your resume, learning a software tool, improving your side hustle, or sending 1 professional message. The key is to stop letting your financial future depend only on your current paycheck. 1 hour every Wednesday is 52 hours a year. That's more than a full work week invested into becoming more valuable. Most people say they need more money, but they never schedule the activities that create more money. Pause here, because this is the part most people miss. Your week already has a financial system. It's either designed by you or designed by ads, stress, friends, fatigue, and convenience. If you don't plan your money when you're calm, you will spend it when you're tired. That sentence alone can explain half of modern financial waste. Thursday is Friction Day. This is where you make bad spending slightly harder and good decisions slightly easier. Delete saved cards from apps you overuse. Turn off one-click buying. Move shopping apps off your home screen. Add friction to habits that drain you. Remove friction from habits that build you. For example, put your savings transfer on automation. Keep healthy food visible. Pre-plan transport. Make lunch boringly easy. Wealth retention loves boring systems. Your future self does not need motivation. Your future self needs fewer traps. Friday is close the loop day. Before the weekend starts, check what's still unpaid, unplanned, or emotionally dangerous. Weekends are where many budgets go to die, not because people are careless, but because they are exhausted. So on Friday, decide your weekend spending limit before your weekend mood makes the decision for you. Choose the fun in advance. Dinner, movie, trip, coffee, fine, but decide before the dopamine arrives. Planned fun feels better than guilty fun because it doesn't come with a financial hangover. Saturday is controlled enjoyment day. Yes, enjoyment belongs in a wealth-building week. If your system has no fun, it will eventually rebel. You are not a spreadsheet. You are a human being. But controlled enjoyment means you spend from a chosen amount, not from emotional permission. This protects you from the most expensive sentence in personal finance: I deserve it. Sometimes you do deserve it, but you also deserve peace, options, and a future without panic. Sunday is reset day. This is the day that decides whether next week starts with control or chaos. Here's the 15-minute Sunday move I promised. Prepare your week before your week prepares excuses. Minute 1 to 5. Check your calendar. Where will money try to escape? Meetings, travel, birthdays, errands, long days. Minute 6 to 10. Plan your food and transport. These two categories destroy more money than people admit. Minute 11 to 15, choose one money priority for the week. Just one. Save more. Pay debt. Avoid delivery. Cancel one thing. The magic is not intensity. The magic is repetition. A structured week repeated 52 times becomes a different life. Let's recap the system. Monday, map the money. Tuesday, hunt the leak. Wednesday, build income. Thursday, add friction. Friday, close the loop. Saturday, enjoy with control. Sunday, reset the machine. This is how you stop living in financial reaction mode. You stop waiting for money problems to surprise you. You don't need a perfect week. You need a repeatable week. Perfect fails. Repeatable compounds. So this week, don't try to change your whole life. Choose one day from this system and start there. If this helped, subscribe for more simple money systems that protect your future without making life miserable. And comment below, which day do you need most right now? Money Map Monday, Leak Hunt Tuesday, or Sunday Reset? Your answer might tell you exactly where your money has been escaping. I will see you in the next video.